Today we're going to look at how to make a cold expansion ProPEX connection using Uponor PEX-a pipe and the Milwaukee M18 ProPEX expansion tool. In this video, we'll explore where this tool works best, the pipe sizes it's designed for, and the types of applications it's ideal for. The M18 tool is built for small to mid-sized diameter PEX installations, making it a great option for residential plumbing, remodels, and service work, especially in tighter or hard-to-reach spaces. The tool works best with pipe sizes from 3/8 inch up to 1.5 inch pipe, but it is optimized for 1 inch, 1.25 inch, and 1.5 inch sizes. It is important to note that while the M12 and M18 expansion heads have the same threading, they must not be used interchangeably with M12 and M18 tools, as doing so can result in faulty connections and compromise system performance. Now let's walk through how to make the connection. Start with a clean, straight cut on your pipe. Then slide the ProPEX ring onto the pipe. If you're using white ProPEX rings, the 1/2 inch through 1.5 inch rings feature a leading edge chamfer to help guide placement onto the pipe, along with a built-in stop edge to ensure the proper overhang on the pipe. The tool comes with different expansion heads designed specifically for each size pipe, so make sure you're checking the size listed on the head before using. Then insert the tool into the pipe and begin expanding the pipe and ring together. Let the tool complete each expansion rotation fully and maintain a steady grip to keep your expansion consistent. Continue expanding until the ring reaches the collar. Once the ring reaches the collar, give it 1 or 2 extra expansions to allow yourself more time to make the connection. As soon as you remove the tool, the pipe will begin to shrink back down to its original size. Remove the tool quickly and insert the fitting. If the pipe shrinks back before you can insert the fitting, the expansion process can be repeated. This M18 ProPEX expansion tool delivers productivity for high-speed connections without compromising workmanship, promoting greater control and flexibility to get the job done efficiently, even in those tough-to-access smaller spaces.